Hey, Miles here, milesbecko.com. This video is about finding affiliate offers. Specifically, we're going to look at 7 affiliate networks you can use to find millions of products. And no, I'm not talking Amazon or Walmart here. I'm talking actual affiliate networks. Before we jump into the 7 networks themselves, we're going to get on the computer. You're going to see exactly how to get to them. But I wanted to share a little bit about what an affiliate network is versus an affiliate program. So my wife and I run a successful website. We have our own shopping cart that allows us to run our own affiliate program. If I managed that myself through my own cart, you and I could enter into a relationship or an agreement where if you promote my stuff, you could earn a kickback or a commission for the sales you generate for me. We run this independently of a third party. So that's an affiliate program. An affiliate network is when a third party company gets in between the two of us. And what they'll do is they'll go find hundreds, if not thousands of merchants, and then they'll go get thousands, tens of thousands of affiliates, and they'll essentially be a middle person in between the two. That's what we're going to look at today, because when you get accepted to these affiliate networks, you get access to thousands and thousands of merchants who have millions of products to sell, whether it's digital, physical, any sort of niche, anything you could ever imagine, right? So the goal, one quick other note before we get going, the goal of affiliate marketing is to help your audience obtain the things they want that are going to help them achieve their goals and solve their problems. The goal is not to bombard them with offers, it's to align them with the things they already want to purchase. That's how it works when it does work. That's how it's worked for my wife and I. So let's jump right in. Let's get into some of these actual networks here. So the first one we're going to start at is Clickbank. You've probably heard of Clickbank, and on the affiliate marketplace up top is where you look. This is where you can get access to all of the different Clickbank offers. They've got the different categories for offers over here on the left side of the screen, and you're able to search for things such as golf. And golf's going to be kind of the running example I'm going to use through this just to kind of show something pretty easy. And when you do a search for golf, you can see there's a 6-week to golf fitness. The average dollars per sale is $770. You notice there's some items that don't have any average sales. This one, junior golf training, is $31.59. And then you'll see there's these different kind of numbers. These are the stats for the different kind of the percentages you'll earn, the average dollars per sale that you'll get, essentially, and then the gravity. Gravity is the number of successful affiliates running it. If you're interested in learning more about Clickbank, just give me a comment below. I can make a full video on how I analyze this, because I've got some third-party tools to essentially analyze the different offers here on Clickbank, because their search feature absolutely sucks. But you can see here, this Swingman Golf, 7.66% conversions, and it sells about $189. So if you have an audience of people who want to learn better, whatever this exact swing speed training is, right? If that's the solution that they're seeking and you help them get that, you could literally make up to $190 per sale on average. So that's the way the game works. You apply with Clickbank, and once you're on Clickbank, you get access to every single vendor's products. You can promote anything you want within Clickbank. Some of these other ones require you to apply to the program once you're inside of the network. So Clickbank's the first one. The second one is ShareASale. Now, ShareASale has more physical products. Clickbank is pretty much all digital products. There are some physical products coming in the health and the beauty space in Clickbank. ShareASale, you're going to find a lot more physical products. I mean, you could build out a full-on kind of e-store all with with ShareASale products here. So I've actually logged in, because you can't see that much. They show the popular merchants: home and garden, fashion, green, business, and more. But I'm logged in here, and I've already searched for golf here, and you're going to see there's 424 different merchants available, and then it actually searches the different products. And you can see here when I click on products, give it a quick second so it can load, it'll show you all of the products within the different merchant categories that you're actually able to promote that have the word golf in them, right? So you can go by merchant or you can go by product, and this is where you can get really specific on identifying a very specific product. So if there's a specific type of golf ball, like the Pinnacle Pro V1, you want to promote that as an affiliate, you can search Pinnacle Pro V1. You can find which programs offer that to you. You can see the I believe the cookie, the estimated per sale that you're going to get, and then you can join the program here. You got to kind of apply and get going. quick note on joining the programs. These affiliate managers are going to look at your website. They're going to want to see that you have a clean looking website. They're going to want to see that you have good content. They're going to make sure you're a real person, you're a real affiliate marketer, that you're not some hack who's simply trying to join their program to go off and spam their links, because that can hurt their brand. So you always want to build out your site, build out your content, make sure you've got a list going, get it up and growing. You usually have the opportunity to give notes inside of the application process. I always add a personal note. I'm always about, hey, my wife and I run this sort of product in this niche. We have this many people on our list. This is our traffic, and I'd love to promote your specific product because it solves a problem for my visitors. So it's really important to remember that you're probably going to get a manual review from an affiliate manager, and you need to make sure your site is on the up and up. So go through the DIY sales funnel, get your WordPress website going on Thrive, get lots of content in there before you reach out to these folks. But this is how you do it. And then a quick note here, when you click categories, you can see on the left, it pops up all these categories: business, clothing, books and media, automotive. There's 54 different programs in automotive, 321 in computer electronics, domain names, education, family, financial, food and drink, freebies, games and toys, gaming, lotto, green, health, home and garden, insurance, legal. Like, it's incredible. Moving and moving supplies. Jay Burnham, I'm talking to you, man, if you're out there. So there are these kinds of items where you can promote physical products. If you're teaching how to do it yourself in a blog post, you want to promote a specific product, a hand cart, a dolly, I bet you can find it through here. So that's ShareASale. The next one we're going to go to is AventLink. Now, AventLink is a very proud network. AventLink prides themselves on denying 80% of affiliates who apply. And they're kind of, why they're so proud of this is they're trying to make the job of being an affiliate manager that much better. So AventLink works with some of the best outdoor companies in the world, but they're much broader than outdoor companies. I believe they run the REI program. They run the backcountry.com. So if you're into anything that's like sporting, camping, sporting goods, outdoor goods, AventLink is the big one for you. Be sure you have really good content. Be sure you have a real actual website. I mean, everything from kayaking, canoeing, paddleboarding, like anything you could think of sports related, these are your guys. Soccer, football, tennis, like, man, this is the place to go. I actually built and ran and managed, managed and grew an affiliate program on their system. So I got a really inside view in working with them as a merchant, and I have worked with them and earned income from them as an affiliate as well. They are hands down, they're one of the best in the industry, but again, they set the bar really high. So you got to have a good website for them. And then I'm going to show you real quick. We click in the programs, we can see theirs without logging in. And then I'm going to click browse programs, and you can see these are the different brands that you're able to kind of work with. I'm not fully noticeable about all of these, but like 1-800 guns and ammo, right? Like, obviously in the guns and ammo, gun nuts are a great niche because they're hyper passionate about what they do. Barbecue box, right? So we've got all kinds. Let me search for Cabela's is on there, campgear.com, campsaver.com. So there's all kinds of outdoor stuff, even a Karen outdoor subscription box that could have potentially a good recurring income for you. But they do have nutrition things, and they do go into like, let me see here, let me do find and organic. So Poultry Organics, I think they have a lot of organic and even beauty supplies. We make beauty, so they have some beauty supplies, Yeti coolers, for example. So these guys are real deal. Cyclery, if you're in the bike niche, anything physical, man, these guys are great. But even all the way to Whirlpool, right? Like if you show how to DIY kitchen remodels and you want to show a specific Whirlpool washing machine that's a great value, like you could potentially partner with Whirlpool directly to sell those kinds of high ticket products. Again, so in the process with AventLink, build your site, get great content, kind of get your feet under you so you look like a real business. You are a real business. Treat it like a real business, and it will treat you as such. Then you apply to AventLink. Once you're in AventLink, you need to reach out to the different programs within AventLink, and they all have their own terms, whether it's 4%, 10%, 12, 50%, etc. You'll be able to make a higher percentage on digital products. So Clickbank's going to be in the 50% commission range or higher. On physical products, margins get really, really tight. So you can see 4%, 8%, 12% commissions on physical products because there's a cost of goods sold, there's shipping, there's much more infrastructure involved, and the margins are flat out cheaper. Snowboards.com. Yeah, this is a great option. I can't say enough about the professionalism of AventLink. The next one is, we used to call this link share. They've changed their name. It's Rakuten Marketing, rakutenmarketing.com, which is essentially link share. They don't give you much information from the front end. You do need to actually have a good site going. You need to apply to them. You can see they've got affiliate. They do display ads and search-based ads, but you would be operating as an affiliate. I am logged in inside of my account here, and you can see these are the different basic categories they have. So office equipment, home office supplies, telecommuting, sports and fitness, clothing, collectibles, equipment, etc., health and beauty, gifts, flowers, games, toys, food, drink, financial services, automotive services, department store stuff, entertainment, family, all kinds of stuff, literally hardware, computer hardware, if that's your niche, etc. They have an advertiser search where you can search for the advertiser themselves, but they don't have a product search, which is a little bit annoying. It might be under the advanced search, but I'm not sure here. So just kind of an overview of the different programs you get access to here. This has been a long-standing one. We've got checks from them for several years. A very reputable company that does a really good job with what they do. Next is CJ.com. This is the old commission Junction. They're one of the strictest affiliate networks out there. If you don't send them traffic within 30 days, they'll kind of put your account into a suspended moment or in a suspended category. And they really, they probably do the most research on you up there with AventLink on trying to deny people who don't actually have real content-based businesses. They're really, really specific and really picky about who they let in, because again, as you start to promote brands as an affiliate, you kind of are leveraging that brand, and the brand's value gets tied into how you promote them. So they want to really make sure they're working with people who are on the up and up. You can see down here, I think they have the list of categories. So these are the categories: construction, food, beverage, technology, telecom, seasonal stuff, recreation and leisure. It's a wide variety, but they don't show you what companies they're actually partnered with there up on the front. So you would actually have to get in. I would not go after Commission Junction as my first one. If you have a very big content heavy site, you're getting lots of traffic and you can't find specific products, or you're maybe already offering some things and you're feeling like you're getting a low percentage from one of the other networks, and you want to see if you can get a higher percentage or a higher quality product, that's when I think I would add on Commission Junction. But for some businesses, physical goods space, CJ.com, it's not Commission Junction, it's CJ affiliate now. CJ is it's a very, very high quality. They almost maybe hold themselves on too high of a pedestal for me, so I've never actually got too much traction with them, even though I've been a part of their program several times. Then number 6 is FlexOffers. FlexOffers is probably closest to Commission Junction. You'll find a lot of different, a wide variety of audit items. So one of the terms that you'll notice in affiliate marketing is something that's called CPA. It's cost per acquisition. You can also do CPL, which is cost per lead. So let's say an insurance company wants you to promote their insurance product to your audience. If someone from your audience goes and fills in an application, they'll pay you $4, $8, $20, whatever their value per lead is. So that's kind of cost per lead. Cost per acquisition is when you drive a new actual customer to them. You'll find a lot of that here. So when I hover over affiliate programs up top, you'll see these are the main categories. They have the full program directory here that I just clicked on. So we're going to see what this list looks like. And in the categories, automotive, 269 different businesses in the business. There's 419 clothing and accessories. There's literally 3,200 different programs. Everything from scotch and sodas to, like, I don't know what any of these are. I don't need to know what these are. If they're in your niche, you would know what they are. Here's the digital products. As I was saying, this is the stuff where you can get to the digital downloadable stuff. Usually you're going to see a higher kind of commission and potentially a higher average order value. But when people are ordering physical things versus intangible and digital things, they're usually a little bit more confident to order something. For example, if I'm going to go buy a paddleboard next week and I know I'm buying a paddleboard and I'm reading your review site about paddleboards to find the best one, and you not only help me focus on the best one, but you list the prices on Amazon, REI, and Backcountry, and you help me find the best price on the best one, I'm going to happily click through because I'm already going to buy the paddleboard, right? Versus a paddleboard fitness course that I don't know I'm actually going to buy, right? There's a big difference in the physical products versus the intangible and the digital products. So there's a lot going on here, tons and tons and tons of programs. And if you want to see just the real quick, the different categories, you can see the different categories here. And I mentioned at the beginning, There's a bonus. So I said it was 7. It's actually 6 and a bonus. This is the last affiliate network, and there's way more affiliate networks than this. But if you go to something called offervault.com, you can actually search different networks for the same product or search different networks for a variety of products. So they've got this search bar here. If I type in golf, it brings back so many different kind of random offers and random networks that it didn't make sense to show that to you. But you can see up top there's the join networks or the select by networks. So this is what I'm getting at, and what I wanted to show you here is these are all different affiliate networks, and you're able to look through these. You can see it's got Clickbank on here. So when you search through this platform here, it's kind of like a search engine for affiliate networks, and it's designed to help you look within the different networks to find the programs and the merchants you can promote in one place. I've never personally found this to be extremely valuable because I'm looking for super specific products that match my niche, that match my audience, what I know they already want. So it's fairly easy for me to find those programs and those products specifically. But if you're curious about all of the options within your space, this is a great place to go on their search engine here. And that wraps it up. Those are the 7, we'll call it 6.5 different affiliate networks there. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want more of this tactical where to find offers type affiliate marketing stuff, leave me a comment. Let me know what kinds of videos you would like in the affiliate marketing world. My wife and I have been super affiliates for several years. Yes, we do sell our own products. We don't run our own affiliate program, but we sell a lot of other people's products too. That's the benefit of having a very big niche authority site and also a big email list of people who know, like, and trust you, is that not everyone wants to buy our products, and we're happy to connect them with the products that they already want using these types of networks here. I highly recommend that you really stay focused on building a great content site, a great niche authority site. If you don't have a plan that you're following, I do recommend the authority site system. You can learn about that at milesbeckler.com/TASS. They show a lot about how to build out programs using affiliate programs from like Amazon, using Amazon affiliates. But if you take those ideas, build it out the way they say, and you cross-reference the Amazon program with the AvantLink, with the REIs, with all of the different programs I showed here, you very well could find more money in the deal for you. You can find more options, more offers, and more value for your audience, and that can be a total win-win situation for you, because that's what your users are looking for. They want you to show them all the options. They want you to help them rate them, help you find the top 10 blenders or whatever it is that you're helping them with. That's the way the game works. So the more information you can sort through to bring to one kick butt post that really details all of their options and really focuses them in the best one, that's how you're going to increase the likelihood of, number 1, ranking on Google, because that's such a helpful, valuable post, and number 2, getting the click and ultimately the sale, which makes you money, because again, it's that super valuable post. When they can read your post and realize you spent days, right, several hours really combing through all the data to come up with that list and really helping them understand from their perspective what's best for them in their personal situation, they like to click on your recommendations and buy through your links. This is the way the affiliate marketing game works. Again, leave me in a comment what kinds of other questions you have about affiliate marketing. I'm happy to answer those in future videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and if you have not yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe, because I got a lot of great videos coming your way in the future. Next one's coming up in 2 or 3 days, probably going live this weekend. So if you're not on my list, get on my list, milesbeckler.com/free-course. I'll have like a little book show up here on the end screen. Click that, it'll take you, get on my list. That way you'll hear about the live stream when it comes out. And until we connect again on the next video, be well, and remember, give value to your audience, because value is the ultimate exchange that you create the income you desire with. So the more value you give, the better you do. Till we connect again, thanks for your time. Be well.